Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G-Phone Tech. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new gaming laptop from the ASUS ROG lineup called the ASUS Zephyrus G14. This is a unique laptop from the house of ASUS and has a lot of interesting features. So let's dive in straight away and check out the design of the Zephyrus G14. G14 is a solidly built laptop made of magnesium alloy. But the first thing you will notice with this laptop is its form factor. For a gaming laptop, I find the Zephyrus G14 to be very compact. It weighs about 1.7 kgs and it is less than 18 mm thin. Maybe I haven't reviewed any other gaming laptop in this form factor, but this definitely surprises me. Not just the weight and size of this Zephyrus G14 surprises me, also the solid build construction quality is very pleasing to use. Opening up the lid, you would feel how strong the laptop is and also the effectiveness of the hinges. The lid opens up to raise the chassis, and this is something ASUS calls the ergo lift. This helps in airflow and to keep the laptop cool. But what is interesting and unique about the Zephyrus G14 is the LED animation on its lid. This is something ASUS calls the Animatrix or Animatrix. The entire array of matrix is made up of about 1215 LEDs stacked together to form animations of your choice. You can customize to run a text or put a logo or even show system information like battery, new mail notification, time and date, etc. But my favorite is the equalizer. When you're playing a music or a video, the equalizer animation at the back of the lid gives a unique characteristic to this laptop. Again, I haven't seen anything like this in any other gaming laptop or any normal laptop ever, and it makes me appreciate ASUS for its engineering and innovation. Though this Animatrix does not help you with the gaming or performance, having it on the lid definitely gives a unique characteristic to this laptop. Alright, let's talk about the display. You get a choice of two display resolutions on the G14 lineup. The one I have is a WQHD resolution display, which means that it has 2560 by 1440 resolution, and this particular resolution is at 60 Hz speed. If you want a fast 120 Hz refresh rate display, you can go in for the 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution display. This is an AMD Free Sync display and also has the adaptive sync technology to give you a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The display is very rich in color and at the same time it stays natural. The color contrast is deep and the viewing angles are also perfect. The display is surrounded by bezels, but the G14 does not come with an integrated web camera. If you need a webcam for your streaming purposes, then probably you'll have to add an external web camera to it. And yeah, for adding external accessories, this has enough ports. On one side it has a USB Type-C display port with a power delivery capable USB port, and this is flanked by a 3.5mm audio jack, an HDMI port and a DC port. On the other side, you would find two USB Type-A port and a USB Type-C port for data transfer and connecting external accessories. Unfortunately, this gaming laptop does not have an Ethernet port. The G14 has two 2.5 watt speakers, top firing, placed beneath the keyboard. Additionally, it also has two tweeters underneath the chassis. The speakers come with smart amp technology and also it includes array microphones. The sound system supports Dolby Atmos technology as well. I found the sound delivery from this laptop to be quite loud and also rich. But like many gaming laptops in this price band, I didn't find the directional sound or sound staging to be perfect. But when you connect a headphone and start gaming with it, definitely the audio quality from this laptop is a pleasing experience. The keyboard is a backlit chiclet style keyboard. It does not have the num keys, but the keys are well spaced and it has a good travel distance. Equipped with N-key rollover technology, it was definitely a good and pleasing experience to game with this keyboard. But the backlighting was not powerful enough and it was not a per key RGB lighting. It has one color, a uniform white color LED lighting up different zones of the keyboard. Trackpad was also good to use, but it's a gaming laptop. I would choose to have an external gaming mouse when I had to play any serious game in it. But for any other general computing purpose, this trackpad was good enough. Now let's talk about the core reason why this laptop exists: gaming performance. The Zephyrus G14 is powered by the latest generation of AMD Ryzen processors. You get an option of Ryzen 9-4900HS, which is the laptop which I have for testing, and also Ryzen 7-4800HS and also the Ryzen 5-4600HS. For GPU, I have the RTX 2060 model with Max-Q. You also get GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q, 1650 Ti and also 1650 edition with it. Internal storage can go up to 1 TB SSD and the type used here is the NVMe SSD. The RAM is DDR4 type of RAM and it can go up to 16GB in configuration. Both the RAM and SSD are upgradable. The Ryzen 7 and the RTX 2060 Max-Q combination is an ultimate powerhouse. Especially the Ryzen 7 processor has 6 cores and 16 threads. This makes it one of the most efficient and powerful processors out there. Gaming experience was smooth, and I observed that this laptop can get really hot. And even at high temperatures, I did not observe any throttling or performance degradation. In all my gameplay, I was easily able to get around 70 to 120 frames per second. But this is not only a gaming laptop. If you're into 3D modeling or content creation like editing a video, an image, or audio editing, this laptop is definitely a good option for you. The battery is a 76 watt-hour battery, and to charge this you get a 180 watt power adapter in the box. With regular usage you get about 10 hours of battery life, and if you game a lot without plugging into the power, you might get about 4 to 6 hours depending upon your gameplay and usage conditions. The Zephyrus G14 starts with a price of 80,990 in India, and it's available in Amazon and other ASUS retail stores. The starting variant does not come with Animatrix, but if you like the Animatrix, the pricing starts at 98,990. The top end variant, which I have here, is priced at rupees 1,61,990. If you like to buy this laptop, links are below in the description of this video. I hope you found this video useful. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.